After the launch of iQOO 15 last year, iQOO started teasing the launch of iQOO 15R, the company's next top-end smartphone in the iQOO 15 series in India. The design looks similar to the iQOO Z11 Turbo, which was launched in China earlier this month. The iQOO 15R features a 6.59-inch flat AMOLED display with a 2750 by 1260 resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. The phone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset paired with LPDDR5X Ultra Quad-Channel RAM with UFS 4.1 storage, runs Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. The phone comes equipped with a 200MP large sensor main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 32MP selfie camera. The 15R houses a 7600 mAh Blue Ocean battery. It supports 100W ultra-fast charging and bypass charging. The iQOO 15R will also be sold in India on Amazon in addition to the iQOO India online store. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.